hold on. What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy. Yeah. Welcome back to another video, man. I was not even gonna waste too much time, bro, but something's been really on my heart and something that I feel like a lot of men need to hear. It's mostly on how to manifest the girl of your dream, right? There's really no secret to manifesting the girl of your dream. I feel like the one thing that us men, they have kind of like lied to us is that there's all these point of views of what you need to do, what you need to have to get the girl of your dreams, right? But one thing I took in personally is that, like, when I speak about things like this, is really just on a personal level of what I think, right? And what I'm going through personally, right? One thing I took in, bro, is that once you really focus on yourself and you manifest the life that you want, right? First, before you try to manifest anything else, manifest well-being for yourself. You gotta manifest prosperity. Like, there's so much things, there's so many steps you need to take before, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I don't want to sound like this is, I don't want to make it sound like this is the right way of doing things, right? But there's a connection you need to have with yourself to be able to attract whatever you want, right? I am not the best place where, I'm not in the best situation, and I'm not saying all this to say that I have manifested the baddest girl out there or whatever. No, I'm just saying y'all are focused on the wrong thing, right? The secret and the trick to this is by focusing on yourself first. Like, literally, you need to sit down with yourself. You need to be truthful, honest with yourself. Yo, what do I need to work on? Because there's this energy and this glow that comes on you when you put yourself first, right? When you put yourself first, people feel it, right? And one thing about females is that they love an ambition man, a man that's goal driven, a man that is really like on go with their dreams, you know what I'm saying? And that alone attracts the baddest ones. You feel me? I am not the best looking nigga out there, trust me. But the type of girls I've spoken to, I never believed in my whole life as a kid, as a young nigga, that I would be in these females' DMs just and not even really like applying pressure. Like, I ain't do none, bro. Like, I just be really working, bro. Like, I don't even know how to put it into words, but it's all starting with you focusing on yourself. You need to put a lot of things down. You need to detach yourself from certain people, certain things. Like, just be honest with yourself, bro. Because it's all about energy. You feel me? It's all about energy, and energy is felt by everybody. Being awakened or not, people feel energy. You know what I'm saying? And if you're aware, you gotta learn how to use that energy. You gotta use that energy for you, for yourself first, right? Because the universe sees everything. And I'm not saying if your full on focus isn't to get that IG model. Like, look, you can do that shit if you want. You feel me? But every single decision leads to a different reality, right? And you gotta make sure that if you wanna pursue this girl, is she helping you pursue your dreams? Is she helping you becoming a better man, right? These are things that a lot of men, a lot of us don't even think about. We just want the baddest one so we can show off and we can, you know what I'm saying? We can have so much to say about, yo, I bagged the baddest, but it's like, bro, all that shit is literally pointless. It's pointless. You've got to stop doing things for the validation of females or whatever it may be. You gotta start doing things for yourself. You gotta start putting yourself first, right? And everything else really just falls in place. The dream job you want, the dream girl you want, the dream house you want, the dream car you want, it all falls in place when you fix your vibration and you fix yourself first, right? Like, it's just weird the way it's weird the way energy works and the way the universe works, right? the second you really take your mind off certain things that used to be the main priority, you just start seeing things flow in your business, in your career, in your relationships, in your friendships. Everything just flows because you decided to put yourself first, right? You decided to lock in. You decided to stop that addiction, right? Everything is really just energy. Everything is energy. You know what I'm saying? You glow better when you put yourself first. You glow better when you ground yourself. You feel me? But for me, this 11/11 portal has done so much shit for me, bro. Like, it's crazy. I remember, like, on the 10th, like, since November started, like, I just been feeling kind of crazy, right? And not even to mention, like, I'm on what, a couple of days sober. You know what I'm saying? Like, I be smoking like a motherfucker, bro. I ain't gonna cap with y'all, bro. I smoke like a motherfucker, bro. But there's just certain things, and I'm not saying smoking is a bad thing, right? That's not what I'm saying. There's no good or bad. It's how you can kind of like, how can you balance these things to not take you off your manifestation, right? A lot of people are gonna come to you saying, oh, when you smoke, when you drink, it's bad. It's not going to help you manifest whatever you're trying to manifest quicker. But believe me, bro, that shit is bullshit. It's bullshit. I know so many people that smoke more than me. I know so many people that drink every weekend, but they're out here manifesting the life that they want. Why? Because there's a balance and there's something, there's a sacrifice they had to put first, you know what I'm saying? You gotta sacrifice so many things. You gotta sacrifice the fun. You gotta sacrifice going out. You gotta sacrifice a lot of shit to get where you wanna be. And that starts with you. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to focus on, bro, come on. Don't try to focus on yourself for that girl. Bruh, trust me, bro. Like, that's where y'all niggas be messing up. You do things for people's validation. You do things because you, like, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. It's like, it's almost even hard to put into words, you feel me? But I just want to encourage you, bro, like, please, bro, please, focus on yourself. Stop being distracted, but everything comes and goes. The club is not going nowhere. The girls are not going anywhere. If anything, bro, with time, it's just gonna be way more. You feel me? But it's like, I want you to take this time. I want you to take today to take that first step into putting whatever it is that's distracting you from manifesting the life that you want. You know what I'm saying? Put that shit down. Put that shit down, bro. Like, if it's girls, bro, girls is the big, like, bro, me personally, I feel like girls is one of the biggest distractions for a man that's goal driven. You feel me? You need to put your goals first, because females like I said, females love a man that got something going on, right? Me personally, like, females I've came across me, they don't even like bring out my looks. Like, I know I look good, and I know I can pull, and I know I can go and talk to somebody, and even if I catch an L, nigga, I don't give a fuck, you feel me? At least I shot my shot, you never know, you feel me? But one thing for sure, for certain, I'm not gonna go out here doing all these things knowing that inside, I'm not good. And I ain't got nothing to offer to this girl I'm trying to bring around. So it's like, you've got to be honest with yourself, bro. There's certain things that are just being a distraction for you right now that you need to put down. You know what I'm saying? Stop the bad food, stop the smoking every 2 seconds when you feel like you're trying to escape reality, because that shit is just gonna it's a circle, bro. It's literally like trying to run, like, you know when there's a rat in the thing and it's running, that's really you. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna make okay progression, but it's not gonna be progression that's going to help you for a long time, or that's going to keep pushing you over time. You know what I'm saying? And that's why you gotta make sure that whoever you are talking to, whoever that you are allowing in your bubble, in your life, they are adding to you. You know what I'm saying? They are adding to what you already have. They are adding to the plans, because at the end of the day, you are a man. You are the leader. You are supposed to, whenever a girl comes around, bro, you know, yo, this is what it is. This is what I got going on. We gotta go full on. You feel me? Like, trust me, bro, that feminine energy is very much needed. But a lot of you niggas use that shit the wrong way. You feel me? The wrong fucking way. But I'm not even trying to make this video too long. You need to focus on yourself to get that dream girl. You need to focus on yourself to get that dream car. You need to focus on yourself to get that dream house. You feel me? It all starts with the mind. It's never physical. Everything that you see physical started with your mind, right? So whatever experience you're experiencing right now is because the thoughts and the ideas and certain decisions that you've made that have allowed you to be in the position you're in. But it doesn't mean that position you're in is it. That's it, right? It's a vibration and energy you're putting yourself in. You gotta tune yourself to the right vibration to attract the right people to you. You know what I'm saying? To attract the right person to you. Stop trying to chase, attract. You know what I'm saying? If you so call yourself a chosen one, you need to stop chasing. You need to attract. Attract starts with yourself. It starts with grounding yourself. It starts with focusing on yourself. You know what I'm saying? You need to do that, bro. Do that for yourself. Don't do it for anybody else. You feel me? It's gonna feel lonely so crazily, like it's a lonely road to take, you know, but you gotta do this for yourself, for your future kids, for your, you know what I'm saying? Because it's all on you. It's really all on you. And it may sound harsh, it may sound crazy, but trust me, man, it's all on you. The decisions you're making right now is impacting so much to come forward, you know what I'm saying? So much. You feel me? Like, there's so much that goes into this, bro. But I just want you to focus on yourself, man. Like, this age of Aquarius right now, the energy is so fucking insane right now. Like, 11/11 portal, it's gonna be going on until like the end of the year, I'm pretty sure. So this is the best time right now, you feel me? Focus on our YouTube, get in the studio, man, make some music, but stop trying to do things for people. Stop trying to do things for validation of a girl or whatever it may be. Do things for you. Do things that make you happy. Do things that help you move forward. That help you, you know what I'm saying, reach the goals that you want to reach. You feel me? But that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. But I hope you all have a good day, man. Make sure you meditate. Make sure you ground yourself. Make sure that, you know what I'm saying, you're always on point with yourself and never try to do things for other people. Peace out.